Hello, welcome to my channel again. So in my last video I showed you how to earn kin from paybet. So in this video I'm going to show here you don't need to refer anybody, you don't earn by referral, you just earn by clapping. So you earn by posting memes. When people clap for you in your memes, you earn. So let me show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. So far I've earned 142k. This is my wallet, so it's very easy to withdraw. In my next video I will show you how to withdraw both from paybet and from just joking. When you come to this app every day, you make sure you clap 10 times. When you clap 10 times, you earn 25 kin for the day. Each clap is equal to 1 kin. And the clapping, our kin is going. Okay, you clap 10 times today and earn 25 kin. Keep it up. You can see it. So it's very simple. Now to upload meme, it's very simple to upload meme here. Just come at the bottom right, you click on this upload arrow. Then maybe if you want to snap the meme, good. If you want to take it from your album, good. This popular, the kind of popular memes that people usually post, you can use the picture and create your own meme. Let me take from my album. It can be a funny picture like that. Okay, I want to upload this picture here. Yeah, it look funny, so people will definitely clap for this picture. I can decide to add some caption to this picture. Yeah, I can decide to add some caption like this, or I can caption it this way, or I can caption it this way. So anyhow I want to, or I can just leave it blunt like that. Okay, let me just caption it. Add top caption. What's wrong with crypto today? And at the bottom caption I can say, oh, it's not my business. Just that. Then done. Save and post. So for you to post it, it will take 5 kin from your balance. So I continue. It takes a while before it loads. Our meme is in. Now, it's very simple to join these platforms. Download the app and start collecting kin. That's all. Download the app, register, and start collecting kin. And before I forget, Just Joking has some pretty incentive for newcomers. More kin in Just Joking. So on your first 3 claps, when you register, you get 25 kin. Then 10 claps in one day. If you clap 10 in one day, you get 25 kin. Then if you clap 30 times in 1 week, you get 65 kin. If you clap 100 times in 1 month, you get 225 kin. If you post your first meme, you get 50 kin. If you post 3 memes in 1 week, you get 50 kin. If you post 15 memes in 1 month, you get 250 kin. So these are the rewards. So you can still go to Just Joking website and find out more about Just Joking and how you can earn more in Just Joking. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it to your friend if you learned something or if you gained something from it. I'll see you next time.